Let's rewind time and go to the year 2020, when the world was going through a major upheaval. Yes, the COVID pandemic. It was undoubtedly stressful and overwhelming, and shook every corner of the world. But do you know who stood right beside us in those tough times? It was vitamin C, known as ascorbic acid. I remember when I was struck with COVID, all I did was pop vitamin C tablets. Every medical practitioner advised increasing the intake of ascorbic acid to relieve the symptoms of SARS-CoV-2 and raise the immune system's capabilities in those who were not. And guess what? Those teeny tiny orange-flavored pills did prove to help. Why do we need vitamin C? How do we know if we are falling short of this micronutrient? Where can we obtain it from? Today's video is about all that and more. Hey viewers, I'm Dr. Sophia Fahl and welcome to the Lovers of Good Health channel. Before we begin, kindly use some time to subscribe to this lovely channel and leave us a like on this video to support the channel. Thanks for doing that. Now let's begin. Let's start with the benefits of vitamin C. 1. All hail the ultimate immunity booster. Did you know that your body has its own set of protective forces? Yeah. Your body has a fighting mechanism that chases away infections and allergens. We call it the immune system. It prevents harmful microorganisms from entering your body, and even if they do, your immune system ensures that they do not last long. Quite a badass, isn't it? Now, these protective forces comprise white blood cells, B cells, T cells, and macrophages, or what we collectively call the immune cells. And vitamin C plays an essential role in their functioning, and is responsible for the production of these cells. It also provides a protective shield to the immune cells and prevents their damage from oxidation by free radicals. And most importantly, it strengthens the first site of contact, or the skin barrier. Vitamin C is an excellent antioxidant, and can effectively reduce the risk of infections that try to seep in through the skin. Studies have also proved its potential to speed up the wound healing process by boosting collagen production. Point 2. Saves you from frequent hospital visits. Trust me, when I heard that, I immediately grabbed that orange I was ignoring. I don't know about you guys, but I'll do anything to escape hospitals. What you heard was true. Vitamin C can help you prevent a majority of chronic diseases. As a potent antioxidant, it can quickly boost your body's natural defenses. Your body produces free radicals to carry out its everyday cellular functions, but when they cross normal levels and increase in drastic amounts, they can be extremely harmful. Their prevalence in large quantities can cause oxidative stress in the body, which is one of the leading causes of many chronic illnesses. These include cancer, cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, autoimmune disorders, aging, cataracts, and arthritis. But thanks to vitamin C, it scavenges these free radicals by neutralizing them and cancels out the oxidative stress. Studies have shown that increasing your vitamin C intake has the potential to increase your antioxidant levels by 30%. Do you know what that means? Yes? Extra power. Research has also found that vitamin C supplementation can help deal with problems related to your cognitive abilities. So if you tend to forget things and have a hard time recalling where you kept your keys, then it's probably time to enrich your meals with more antioxidants. Point 3. Helps in preventing iron deficiency. Iron is an essential nutrient for manufacturing red blood cells and transporting oxygen throughout your body. Iron deficiency causes anemia, which is quite prevalent across the globe. As per world statistics, in 2019, almost 30% of women between the ages of 15 and 49, which is also the reproductive age, or the phase wherein a woman requires an adequate share of nutrients more than ever, were identified as anemic. Studies have shown that vitamin C supplementation increases iron absorption from your diet. 100 milligrams of this micronutrient can improve absorption by 67%. Another study on children found that vitamin C supplementation alone was successful in reversing anemia in cases of mild iron deficiency. So, if you have low iron levels and feel fatigued all day, raising your vitamin C intake can help you deal with it. 4. Aids in regulating your blood pressure. High blood pressure can be a life-threatening problem. It increases your risk of getting a heart disease or stroke, which, by the way, are the two leading causes of death in the United States. And it is so prevalent that nearly half of Americans have it. And guess what? 3 out of 4 people with hypertension do not even have it under control. Studies have shown that vitamin C can help in erasing the pressure exerted on your blood vessels. Or, to say, it will lower your blood pressure. It was seen that a diet rich in vitamin C could reduce your systolic blood pressure by about 9 millimeters of mercury and diastolic blood pressure by almost 1.5 millimeters. Another study found that ascorbic acid helped in reducing LDL, low-density lipoprotein, cholesterol, and triglycerides, which are well-known risk factors along with hypertension for cardiovascular issues. What are the warning signs of vitamin C deficiency? Your body is smarter than you think. It never shies away from telling you what is going on. So when it is running low on vitamin C reserves, its natural coping mechanism raises the alarm and sends subtle signs. And what are those signs? 1. Your skin can turn rough and bumpy on the upper arms, thighs, or buttocks. This is commonly referred to as chicken skin. 2. Corkscrew-shaped body hair or coiled and bent hair could be a hallmark sign of vitamin C deficiency. 3. Small, bright red spots start appearing around hair follicles. This happens because when your body falls short of this vitamin, blood vessels can become fragile and break, leading to the formation of red spots. 4. Your skin becomes dry and damaged. Fine lines and wrinkles make a surprise appearance. 5. Another sign of vitamin C deficiency, you tend to bruise a lot more than usual. 6. Your wound healing process has significantly slowed down. 7. You are likely to experience joint pain and swelling, which can cause difficulty with walking. 8. Dental problems like weak and swollen bleeding gums and sometimes tooth loss can also stem from vitamin C deficiency. 9. You are more prone to falling sick and are susceptible to disease. 10. You feel fatigued and worked up most of the time. 11. A noticeable increase in your weight could be vitamin C deficiency. Vitamin C deficiency and anemia are best buddies. They go hand in hand. So symptoms of anemia, including paleness, fatigue, trouble breathing during exercise, dry skin and hair, headache, and spoon-shaped fingernails, would fall under this banner too. And what about the risk factors? Even though developed countries like the United States have lower cases of vitamin C deficiency, with approximately 7% of the population affected, the figures from the rest of the world paint a different picture. In developing countries, vitamin C deficient people are still above 70%. Shocking, isn't it? But the question is, where does this large gap come from? Well, the explanation can be found in faulty dietary patterns. I was discussing this with one of my friends, who happens to have wanderlust with a great travel record. She told me how common it is to be a nutrient-deficient individual in developing countries. Malnutrition is quite prevalent, and most people struggle to make ends meet. Apart from poor diet, alcoholism, smoking, and tobacco can also significantly contribute to vitamin C deficiency. Those with eating disorders, diabetes, and food allergies, and the ones on restrictive diets might also be one step close to this insufficiency. And since most of the nutrient absorption occurs in the intestines, gastrointestinal disorders like inflammatory bowel disease or diarrhea can cause disruptions in vitamin C uptake by the body, or lead to its malabsorption, which finally results in its deficiency. How to stockpile your vitamin C reserves. Vitamin C is a water-soluble nutrient that is only found in trace amounts in animals. This is why plant-based sources of vitamin C are highly preferred. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemon and limes, grapefruit, green peppers, red peppers, strawberries, tomatoes, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, turnip, Indian gooseberry, and other leafy vegetables are rich in this micronutrient. So, this is your cue to put on your chef's hat and start experimenting. You can try new salads, garnish your dishes with nutrient-rich veggies, and squeeze some lemon in your early morning tea. Suit yourself. What symptoms of vitamin C deficiency did you notice? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for your time. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more content like this one. Bye for now.